Sacrifice hits the nerve. No pain, no gain.
I will not let you go unless you bless me.
Campaign of Israel at the Fort of Jaboc. Wrestling with God for a total transformation.
I had a pretty decent life, and all of a sudden, I decided to move to start my own business. I was working there as a freelancer, doing drafting and engineering for other companies, and I started to lose work with all the economic depression at the time. So I lost all my accounts, and I went down to the point that I could not even pay my house anymore. So, and we went so much, so I had just finished adopting a daughter, and was looking at my daughter and say, what am I going to do? I had no food. I had to actually go on welfare, and I collected welfare for about 3 years, which I felt very bad about it, and I didn't think I was able to do certain things. I always saw myself inferior when it comes to business, and this business decisions. I never saw myself as that aggressive person that can do this, he can do that. So I never thought I could do it. I started to attend the Universal Church, but I started to receive the Spirit that they pass on, and I started to see the difference. And I started to become determined that my life has to change. If God is real, and if this is the real God that I believe, He's got to do something with my life. And I started to learn about campaigns, and how to go to the altar, and fight for what's right. And so I had made some money in a side job that was to pay for bills and some people that we had borrowed money from. And God told me, no, you need to go to the altar. You need to trust me. So when I walked out of there, I felt strong. I felt like I did something that takes courage, and that changed my life. I gained my house back, and then we bought another home. I have a business. Right now we have about 14 employees working for us, and we have 5 cars, vans, things that only God can provide. If I have to say it, what makes the difference is the altar. We have peace, we have stability at home, we have the Holy Spirit, which is the whole most important thing is the spiritual life that we have. I can lose everything today. I'll have the same peace as I don't lose anything. To me, things don't matter. I just know that if I seek God first, everything else will come to me. And I don't need to be out there running around like a chicken without a head looking after stuff, because they will come.